morning, my budding mathematician. It's ever a privilege to be here. Well, mathematics is the backbone of any society. The progress of any nation depends upon the amount of knowledge about mathematics which the citizens they have. And still, mathematics phobia is prevailing throughout the country, not only in India but outside India also. I don't know what's the reason. I remember in 1997 there was a commission appointed by Government of India why results in mathematics are coming down. And I was asked to tell that what is my analysis. So I said mathematics is learned by doing and not by reading. And today's child reads mathematics, he doesn't do mathematics. So mind it, if you are to learn mathematics, you have to do it with your own hands. And today, most of the people, they are very casual in learning mathematics. They never try to analyze the situation. They solve problems without going for the logic behind it. Please try to analyze the situation as and when you come across. The very simple thing, a child is born. The first question is, what is the weight of the child? At what time the child is born? Don't you think mathematics starts playing its role the day you are born? And even Lord Almighty had to learn mathematics before He created this universe. The history of mathematics speaks that when Lord Vishnu was going to create this universe, He asked all the devtas to assemble at one place. And there, you make a small home. Don't you think you invite all of your friends कि ये घर मैंने बनाया है? Similarly, Lord Vishnu, when He was going to create this universe, He asked all devtas to assemble at one place. So one of the devtas, he asked, what will be the lifespan of the universe which you are going to create? Then he took shelter of Abacus. He put 3 silver rods on a plane surface and put 25 golden coins in the ascending order. The biggest on the bottom and smallest on the top. He said, the day you remove all these from this one to any of the two, with 2 conditions, at one time you can lift only one. And second, the smaller should lie on the bigger should not lie on the smaller. The day you complete, play will come and the whole world will vanish. And mind it, with so much of computers, the latest computers today, we have not been in a position to solve this paradox. Even Lord Vishnu had to take shelter of mathematics, and we are allergic to mathematics. Mind it, a small child of 8 months, he has not gone to any of the schools. God has taught a lot of mathematics even to that child. You put a small child at the center of your drawing room and put 4 toffees in one corner and 1 toffee in the second corner. To which direction will the child will cross? He knows that 4 is greater than 1. Mind it, he knows 4 is greater than 1. And when you are taught in the school and you are told 2 by 7, 3 by 9, 3 by 8, which is greater, you are not in a position to tell. Don't you think there is something wrong? Lot of explosion of knowledge has taken place in the last 2 decades. Are we coping with that? Then, their explosion of knowledge and deterioration of values have also taken place. Mind it, mathematics always tells you that you should maintain values. Negative numbers are not there in the world. There is no negative. Anybody having -5 rupee note? You may be having 500 rupee note, you may be having 1000 rupee note, and you don't have -5 rupees. Mind it, minus are only creation of your brain, they don't exist. I owe you 5 rupees. It means my possession is -5. It is representation, it doesn't exist. When God has never created anything negative, why did you talk negative of others? And don't you think, if you never talk negative of others, you will be a noble soul. Please never think negative of anybody. Had God created negative, don't you think this universe could have been altogether different? I came from Delhi to this place. I traveled X kilometer. Y liter of petrol is consumed. Now from here I am going back. I am traveling minus X kilometer. Y liter of petrol will come back in the tank because I am traveling minus X kilometer. Right? So it doesn't happen. Again Y liter of petrol will be consumed. This concept is not clear even up to class 12 sector. In class 12, we say mod of x minus 4 from 0 to 6, integrate it. While you are taking from 4, x minus 4 to 4 minus x, when it is from 0 to 4, because negative numbers they don't exist. And area can never be negative. Isn't it? The axis, you have made the axis. I mean, this is the x-axis, this is the y-axis. So the plot in first quadrant will be positive, you have to pay for it, and if you take a plot in the third quadrant or in the fourth quadrant, government will pay you. Because that is negative. Negative numbers, they don't agree. So the basic thing about citizenship is that if you don't think negative of anybody, don't you think you will be a noble soul? Never think negative. Work as hard as you can. Mind mathematics, those subjects which make use of mathematics, don't you think they are more exact? You talk of economics, you talk of, engineering, you talk of architect, you talk of, physical chemistry. Don't you think you come to a unique answer, one and only one answer, and they are very exact. More mathematics is used in any branch of knowledge. More you use, more accurate your results will be. So, my dear, a subject which is so important, don't you think we should always love that subject? And love that subject means the mathematics book I should have read. Well, this is my mathematics. No, you have to work hard. Every reason is to be developed. Now, you never try to generalize things. Please try to generalize all things. For example, I have multiplication tables. I say odd numbers, even numbers. Now, prime numbers. Now I have got a set of numbers. I have to find out which are prime. So before finding that, I go for divisibility test. So once you talk of divisibility test for 2, what happens? You say it must be even. For 4, last 2 digits must be divisible by 4. For 8, last 3 digits should be divisible by 8. For 3, you add all those numbers. Have you ever analyzed why do you add them? किताब में लिखा हुआ ठीक ही होगा. When you don't put any stress on your head, all of you know it, but you don't know it because it is not in the upper surface of your head. Why do we add? Once we have to take multiplication, division by 3. You add all those digits and ensure that that digit must be divisible by 3. So what I say, you must be acquisitive. You must be putting sign of interrogation. Why is, Lord Vishnu has not made those rules. In Gita, in Bhagavad Gita, or in any of the other scripture, these rules are not mentioned over there. Then why to follow? Now mind it, any number, 11 में क्या करते हो? अल्टरनेटिव को ऐड करते हो और उसके बाद कंडीशन से ला देते हो. That is what you do. So what it is? X into 1001 99 99 plus 1 because 99 is divisible by 11. Then 10 is written as 11 minus 1. And don't you think this means 1001 now mind it, it must be divisible by 2. I have to write the greatest number or smallest number. Let me write the smallest. Any number which is 80 will be divisible by 2, 4 and 5 using all the digits. What about 8? Last 3 digits. If I write 9 here, 8 1 the 8, 18, 8 to the actually perform the section that shake hand with each other, 149. Then second goes 148. I add them, third, fourth, fifth, and in addition so many errors. Don't you think they are likely to take place? And mathematics gave me the duty that it is from 1 to 149, and this answer I know it is 149. This is the answer. तो कितना समय बच गया आपको? How much time do you save? And the answer is exact. Now I am teaching it at 11th class. This is for small classes. Now, A shakes hand with B. A sheet got torn, and the mean of the remaining is 10/5/6. Which pages got torn? अगर पेज नहीं फटे होते, सारे पेजेस होते 1 से 20 तक, तो इनका सम कितना होता है? मैं काफी के जितने पेजेस हैं उनका सब निकाल दिया, 210 हो गया, नहीं हो गया? अब ये शीट का टोन, इसका मतलब बाकी जो पेजेस बचे 18 बचे ना, और उनका मीन है 10 से 5/6. So total are the remaining pages. Total are 18. इसका मतलब है जो पेज फटे उनका सम क्या है? 210 में से 195 है. And the pages are consecutive होते हैं ना. ये तो एक पहला पेज हो, एक और दूसरा 14 हो, तो इसका मतलब कौन से पेजेस होंगे? 7 and n plus n plus 1 is equal to 15. So the pages will be 7 and AB का एक और देता हूँ. I visited 10 countries and collection of coin is my hobby. I visited 10 countries and collection of coin is my hobby. सब कंट्रीज का जो बेस कॉइन है, जैसे पाउंड है, डॉलर है, रुपीज है, वो 10 ग्राम का है. एक कंट्री का 9 ग्राम का है. केवल एक दफा तोलना है. Only one. Mathematics means fast, speed. हमें सबको तोलने लगो 10 हो गए तो पता लग जाएगा ये 10 ग्राम का है, ये 9 ग्राम का है. केवल एक दफा तोलना है. केवल एक दफा तोलने से कैसे पता लगेगा कि इस कंट्री का सिक्का जो है वो 9 ग्राम का है? We have collection of coin is my hobby. One country is having the coin for 9 grams, and all other countries are having 10 grams base coin. तो एक ही दफा तोलने से कैसे पता लगेगा कि इस कंट्री का सिक्का जो है वो 9 ग्राम का है? 4-5 इधर डाल दो, 5 इधर डाल दो, तो इधर जो हो गया, जिधर कम वाला है उन 5 में से कोई सा एक होगा. तो अब फिर तोलो. मैं तो एक दफे तोलना है. अभी जो कुछ पढ़ाया है उसका यूज करना है मुझे. Which you are not doing it. मैंने क्या किया? पहले कंट्री का एक सिक्का लिया, दूसरे कंट्री के 2 सिक्के, तीसरे कंट्री के 3 सिक्के और 10वीं कंट्री के 10 सिक्के लिए. पहली कंट्री का एक सिक्का दिया, दूसरी कंट्री के 2 सिक्के लिए, तीसरी कंट्री के 3 सिक्के और 10वीं कंट्री के 10 सिक्के। अब अगर 10 ग्राम के होते तो 1 + 2 + 3 + 10 क्या होता है? 55। तो 550 ग्राम के होते। और ये जब मैंने तोला तो ये 544 ग्राम निकले। कितने ग्राम कम है 550 से? कितने ग्राम कम है? तो इस कंट्री के 6 सिक्के दिए हैं, उस कंट्री का 9 ग्राम था। इस कंट्री के तो एक यूज हुई नहीं हुई यार। जब हम लोग एनसीईआरटी में सिलेबस बनाते हैं तो वी हैव टू गिव रीजन फॉर एवरी टॉपिक व्हिच वी इंक्लूड। मेरे पास मैं 81 रुपीज मुझे पॉकेट मनी मिलती है। 81 रुपीज मुझे पॉकेट मनी मिलती है। मैं जब स्कूल में पढ़ता था और टॉफी का मैं बड़ा शौकीन हूं। तो दुकानदार कहता है 1 रुपए की एक टॉफी आएगी, लेकिन हर 3 रैपर के ऊपर तुझे एक फ्री टॉफी दूंगा। हाउ मेनी टॉफीज का नहीं है? फॉर एवरी 3 टॉफीज रैपर आई गिव यू 1 फ्री टॉफी। पहले मैंने उसको 81 रुपीज दिए, 81 रुपीज दिए तो मुझे 81 टॉफी मिल गई ना। अब 81 टॉफीज के मैंने रैपर निकाले, 81 रैपर आ गए। अब 3 रैपर के ऊपर मुझे एक फ्री टॉफी मिलती है, तो 27 टॉफी और मिल जाएंगी? नहीं मिल जाएंगी? अब 27 टॉफी के ऊपर फिर 3 रैपर, तो जीबी को जिंदगी में काम आती है नहीं आती? जीबी काम आती है नहीं आती? पहले मैंने एपी की एग्जांपल दिया आपको, अब जीपी की एग्जांपल दे रहा हूं। और देखो ये कितना शेयर है? 1। tell you that mathematics is a very fascinating subject, right? Try to love mathematics. अगर इसको मैं actually काउंट करने लगूं, how long will it take? Now, mind it, ये पहले के तो 1 है, अब ये 1, 2, 3, 4 और ये एक बड़ा, तो 5 हो गए। तो don't you think I can say 1 square plus 2 square? अब यहाँ पर 9 तो ये छोटे हैं। अब देखो बोर्ड योर राइट, दिस इज 10, दिस इज 11, दिस इज 12, दिस इज 13 and this big is 14. So don't you think it is? One square plus 2 square plus 3 square. और उसके बाद यहाँ पर कितने लाइनें हैं? 4 थी ना, तो 4 है तो 1 कम है ना। यहाँ पर कितनी लाइनें हैं? Don't you think you should come to generalization? अब प्राइम नंबर है 1 से 100 तक, सब किताबों में लिखा हुआ है हाउ टू फाइंड प्राइम नंबर। तो जो कंडक्ट विजिबिलिटी टेस्ट अप टू 7, मुझे मुझे 200 तक प्राइम नंबर निकालने हैं, तो डिविजिबिलिटी टेस्ट कहां तक करूंगा? 7 तक ही करूंगा क्या? तो 121 जो है वो तो प्राइम कहाएंगे, और 11 इंटू 11 121 है, प्राइम तो नहीं है। 2 पे भी नहीं जाता, 3 पे भी नहीं जाता, 5 पे भी नहीं जाता, 7 पे भी नहीं जाता, तो कैसे करेंगे? 200 तक करेंगे तो कहां तक डिविजिबिलिटी टेस्ट? कभी आपने सोचा कि मुझे जनरलाइजेशन करनी चाहिए? यू नेवर थॉट ऑफ, जो आप कर सकते थे। बट आई वांट टू टेल यू, if there is a will, there is a way, and you don't have a will. We conduct such like workshop just to create curiosity among you that you have the capability, you have the potential, you are not making use of it. जो सोए हुए आदमी को जोड़ते हैं ना, so that is the purpose of conducting such like workshop. Now, mind it, 100 का स्क्वायर रूट क्या है? 10 से पिछला प्राइम नंबर कौन सा है? तो 7 तक टेस्ट करते हैं। और 200 है, 200 का स्क्वायर रूट क्या है? 14 होल स्क्वायर और 15 होल स्क्वायर के बीच होगा ना, 14 और 15 के बीच में, और 14 का स्क्वायर रूट क्या है? 14 के पिछला प्राइम नंबर क्या है? तो 13 तक करेंगे। 400 तक निकालने हैं, तो 400 का स्क्वायर रूट क्या है? जो लास्ट नंबर है उसका स्क्वायर रूट निकाल लो, उससे पिछला प्राइम नंबर दे लो, और 19 तक करेंगे। तो डिविजिबिलिटी टेस्ट इस तरीके से करना है। अब पाइथागोरस थ्योरम, अब इवन आथर्स है जो कितनी किताबें लोगों ने लिखी हुई हैं, हाइट एंड डिस्टेंस के सवाल बनाते हैं ना, अब 3, 4, 5, 5, 12, 13, इसके अलावा हो ही नहीं सकती कोई। माइंड, यू शुड नो हाउ टू जनरलाइज इट। अब ये पाइथागोरस थ्योरम है, ये राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल है। All these they form right angle triangle. But this old man can't memorize all these. Some formula is working on my head. Only then I could write. तो मैंने पहला 3, 4, 5 का इंस्पेक्शन किया।